What's going on YouTube? Bad Disturb back with another video for you guys, and today we'll give you guys an update video. It'll probably be a while before I do a video because the SRT is broke at the moment. I think I broke the axle or the axle seal or the casing to the transmission. It leaked transmission fluid everywhere, and as you can see behind me, it's not here at my house. So just thought I'd let you guys know what was going on with the channel and why I haven't uploaded here recently. We're going to be trying to get it fixed here soon, but a lot of my the buddy that usually helps me, he works a lot, and that's understandable. But whenever we get a chance to work on it, guys, I'm going to bring you along, and we'll slap it back together, and hopefully we can get it, you know, working again. But at this moment, the blue SRT4 is down, and the PT Cruiser is no longer here either. My mother's using it, so the only car that we have at the moment is the yellow SXT, and that means that I'm without a vehicle at the time being. But it is what it is. So whenever we get this fixed, guys, this is probably going to be a short video. Just thought I'd let you guys know that I do plan on keep doing YouTube, and I got things planned for the channel, so please don't unsubscribe. This is basically telling you that as soon as we get the issues figured out with the car, we're going to be hitting up car shows, and we're going to be interviewing some of my friends and their rides. And I still got a lot of stuff for this channel. Just we got this roadblock in the road at the moment, so we have to get the SRT fixed as soon as possible. So, but just thought I would let you guys know what was going on. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I really would appreciate it. Make sure you share. Check out the links in the description below. And check out the Facebook page, Bad Disturb. There's always some good stuff on there. My Instagram also is Bad Disturb, so please check that out as well. I also have Twitter if you want to add me on there or follow me. It's Bad Disturb as well. My personal Facebook, I will not give that out, but that's why I have a page for all the Bad Disturb stuff. But I do run the group Neon Nationwide on Facebook, so catch us on there. It's not Neon Nationwide. I don't know why I said Neon. That's what it used to be called, guys. Now it's called Neon Enthusiast. I changed the name. But check us out on Neon Enthusiast on Facebook. It's a Facebook group. We welcome anybody that's into neons or SRT4s. So check us out on there, and hopefully we can get this car fixed, guys, because I really miss driving it. Kind of really upsets me, but you know, it's SRT problems. I mean, I really wasn't even driving it that hard, to be honest with you guys. I was literally driving it like grandma on Sunday, and I was driving it and went around this curve, and I heard something go ping ping underneath the car, and then when I'd hit the brakes it would grind, and so I had to limp it to my buddy's house because I didn't think I could make it to my house. So that's what I did. I ended up driving it to his house, my friend with the WRX, and that's where it's sitting. So whenever he gets some time off work, we're gonna get together and tear it apart and see what's going on with it. So hopefully it don't cost too much. I'm just gonna put stock axles back in it for now. I can't afford stage 3 axles or racing axles at the time, which, guys, I really don't race that car, so I don't see why putting racing axles in it to begin with. But I see why some people do it, because they don't want axle problems down you know, in the future. But we don't have that kind of money right now, and we live paycheck to paycheck, and you people that can understand that. And plus we got kids. My kids come first before my cars, and if you guys have kids, you understand that. But I'm Bad Disturb, Mopar No Car. Thanks guys for checking out the video. Peace. Till next time.